went to the doctor, called Allison. I thought I was going to need like an inhaler or something. She said I had a heart murmur. I never had that before. Straight to Toledo. Ended up having a like 9-inch by 5-inch mass in my chest that was a tumor. So non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. Fast growing. Luckily, it's non-spreading cancer. So basically just took up my whole chest cavity there. And it was just stayed in the hospital a couple of days, went back home, started a plan with an oncologist straight into chemo. So that was 6 months of going to the hospital for a week, being hooked up to a machine with chemo in it 24/7 for 6 days, go home. Took about a week to start to feel normal again. You guys let me coach as soon as I could come back from that, like in between my treatments. Did that 6 months, and that tumor is shrunk basically down to almost nothing now. I go back in March for another scan.
So for those of you that can see this, that the part that's glowing is the tumor.
Yeah, it was
So
huge.
it was basically taking up his whole chest cavity on that side where his lungs are at.